Hey all, welcome back to another random pack a day. I'm Pokemike and let's get this wheel spinning to see what pack I'll be opening today. Oop, bit of lag on that. It is Lost Origin, so same as yesterday. Well, not surprising with the whole booster box that's been added. Ooh. It was tough to open that one. And I'll do it myself anyway. So, yesterday I put it aside and then I've scanned it already. So, what's the point? I'm guessing a fire energy. Water. So, was it water yesterday as well? And I said fire as well? Poliwag. Jinx and... Nah. Do I need the Jinx? Pull that folder back out. Psychic. Nope. I already have the hollow Jinx. So that's not needed. So none of those cards are needed. And I'll grab a random one from there. So, thanks for watching and come back again tomorrow for another video.